The shakeout in IT is here. भगवान ने मेरी बात रख ली and I did not really suffer in this IT crash, which most mutual funds, right from the PPFAS to Kotak, so everybody has totally destroyed wealth by staying invested in IT, and not it's their fault. हालांकि IT was always the default case. जब आपको पता नहीं है, when in doubt, buy IT was the mantra which Indian investors, institutions, everyone has followed for more than 20 years. So nothing wrong in what they did. When you had money, you didn't know where to go. At least these were cash generating cows. So they did what they had to. Halaki, that has now totally corrected. Yours truly, for the last 1 year itself, had very, very minuscule positions in any large or mid-size IT company. केवल एक TCS में थोड़े पोजीशन रह गए थे बिकॉज TCS 2 साल से चला ही नहीं था. जहाँ जो स्किप्स चले थे राइट फ्रॉम इन्फी टू टेक महिंद्रा पिछले 2 साल में, आई हैड बुक्ड माई प्रॉफिट्स. आई वॉज सिटिंग प्रिटी. I didn't have any real triggers why I should again buy IT. It was running at 22 to 24 times profits, which I felt was too high given the AI threat clouds badal on the horizon. IT is no longer the place to hide when the market is giving you mixed signals, and it's a lesson for people who spent 20 years treating IT as the place to hide. Well, it no longer is.